But ammunition is only part of the story. Your structures themselves won't last forever under constant attack. That's where repair packs come in. They're essential for patching up walls and turrets after every wave. And don't forget, sometimes repairs aren't enough, a wall sections or turret will eventually fall. To prepare for that, you'll want to stockpile replacements, walls, turrets of every type, artillery pieces. Most of what you've replaced once, expect to replace again. And turrets don't magically reload themselves, you need inserters constantly feeding magazines into gun turrets. Without automation here, your turrets will eventually fall silent, leaving your defenses wide open.